Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following question starts with when here, so let's go ahead and read that together. When Dr. Goddard first started his experiments with rockets, there were no related technical information available. So if we're considering answer choice A, which is no change, the first thing I see is were here is a plural conjugation for the verb, but the subject, this verb, I guess modifying this verb, is not only coming after the verb, it's going to be not before it, it's not there. It's something else that was, or something else, some things else that were. But it's also going to not only is it going to be after, it's also going to have to be plural. And we usually want a construction that's active, where you've got the subject before the verb and where they match. But what you have here in terms of person, or sorry, number, however, information is singular. We've got no related technical information. So the related technical information was available, is what you want to say, or there is no related technical information in this case. So the word doesn't really make a lot of sense for a singular noun. Now, if this was something plural, like there were no incidents or something that was plural instead of singular, like information, this would make more sense. That's why this one is incorrect. So answer choice B says rockets, comma, no related technical information was available. So the first thing to watch out for here is after the comma we have an independent clause. So we've got no related technical information is going to be the subject here. Was is going to be a verb. So this can already stand alone as its own sentence. If you said no related technical information was available, where N was a capital letter and then you had a period, that's a fine sentence. But then that means that what precedes it must be a dependent clause, or something that does not have a subject and a verb. So because we have the word when here, even though I guess it does kind of have a subject and a verb, Dr. Goddard first started his experiments with rockets, that's actually going to make this sentence dependent. So we have a dependent clause, comma, an independent clause, that's fine. So this seems like a fine sentence. Maybe we'll find something better. But what, just as a quick reminder here, what you can't have is two dependent clauses next to each other. That's an incomplete sentence. Or two independent clauses that are going to be divided by a comma. Between two independent clauses, we're going to want period, the conjunction and, or semicolon for this exam. So this one looks good so far. Let's go ahead and check out the other answer choices. Rockets. Okay, semicolon. Well, here we've got a semicolon. We know that following this we have our independent clause, so that's fine, but preceding it we had a dependent clause. Again, we want the semicolon, the period, or and in between two independent clauses, not in between a dependent clause and an independent clause. Between those we want a comma, like we have an answer choice B, so that's why answer choice C would be wrong. Answer choice D now says rockets, comma, there weren't any related technical information available. One more time, this weren't is plural and technical information is singular. So we have a mismatched conjugation here for the number of this question. So same problem with answer choice A here. So this does make answer choice B the best answer. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.